Hey guys, welcome back to another product review with Sheba on Amazon. And today I'm going to be sharing with you this nice electrical spin scrubber that I just got. It will be very helpful to have something that is electrical with very intense movement that will allow you to get a lot of the cleaning without the efforts. I had already opened this box and I did a live video on Amazon. So when I got the package, I couldn't resist. So I did a live stream opening the box like I always do. But I'm just gonna go back to just saying what the product is about. So it's an electrical rotary scrubber. So we have the bottom, that is the body, that every piece will be attached to this. And then we have these different heads based on what is it that you're trying to do, which is a brush head holder. So let's look into how we can use it and maybe even do like a little demonstration on the spot on how to clean certain surfaces with which brush. And honestly guys, I am truly loving all these brushes because this one has this very harsh surface and it will cover quite a bit. This one is flat and round, and then this one is more the soft side, and this is the one that I like the most because especially in the shower it's really hard to get to those corners. So, or even in your kitchen actually, whatever you have tiles, it's very hard to get to these corners, so this will allow you to get right in. So here is the body, and everything is going to be connected to this obviously, and it's rather easy to snap in and out, and then you put the head like this. So I'm going to go ahead and awesome, right? And then speed it. And then this one is to charge the body, and it goes down here, a 7 AV. We can definitely just charge this thing and then a happy cleaning. So let's go ahead and see. I want to make sure that everybody sees how it is connected. And thank you guys for the many questions that you have been asking me about different products that I talk about. So always happy to help. Let's go ahead and try it on a surface. I'm going to go ahead and try it on the dishwasher here. And then I have this product, which is a stainless steel. Another space that requires a lot of cleaning, as always, is the sink. So I'm gonna use probably this head here. So now I'm gonna be spraying some of this here. And I would love to use this stainless steel cleaner. And then of course, turn off. And then let's put another head. Again, make sure that you snap it right here. This is better for these corners here. Amazing.